In today's dynamic work environment, effective project management is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients, a small team collaborating on a groundbreaking idea, or a larger organization streamlining workflows, having a centralized platform to organize tasks, communicate effectively, and track progress is paramount. This is where Basecamp shines. Basecamp isn't just another project management tool. It's a comprehensive system designed to simplify collaboration and bring clarity to your projects. Its intuitive interface and well-thought-out features make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical prowess. If you're looking to elevate your project management game and create a more organized and productive workspace, you've come to the right place. This video will walk you through the process of setting up your Basecamp account from scratch. We'll break down each step into simple, easy-to-understand instructions, ensuring that you can confidently establish your project management hub and start collaborating effectively in no time. Consider this your foundational knowledge, built for practical application and educational understanding. Step 1. Navigating to the Basecamp website and choosing your plan. Your journey begins by heading to the official Basecamp website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.basecamp.com. Once you land on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a clean and informative layout. The first crucial decision you'll need to make is selecting the Basecamp plan that best suits your needs. Basecamp typically offers different tiers, often including a free trial and paid subscription options. Take some time to explore the features and pricing of each plan. Consider factors such as team size, how many individuals will be collaborating on your projects. Some plans have limitations on the number of users. Number of projects. How many active projects do you anticipate managing simultaneously? Storage needs. How much file storage do you think your projects will require? Specific features. Do you need access to advanced features like client access or specific integration options? For those just starting or with smaller teams, the free trial is an excellent way to experience the core functionalities of Basecamp before committing to a paid subscription. Carefully review the details of each plan to make an informed decision that aligns with your current and future project management requirements. Once you've decided on a plan, click on the corresponding button, e.g., Start your free trial or Choose this plan. This will lead you to the account creation page. Step 2. Creating your Basecamp account. The account creation process is straightforward and designed to get you up and running quickly. You'll typically be asked to provide the following information: your name. Enter your first and last name. Your email address. This will be your primary login and where you'll receive notifications. Ensure you use a valid and frequently checked email address. Your password. Choose a strong and unique password to secure your account. Follow the password requirements specified on the page. Your company/organization name. Optional but recommended while optional. Providing your company or organization name helps in organizing your workspace, especially if you plan to manage multiple teams or projects under a single account. After filling in the required details, carefully review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the corresponding box and click on the Sign Up or similar button. Step 3. Verifying your email address. Once you've signed up, Basecamp will likely send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and spam folder, just in case, for an email from Basecamp. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This step confirms your email address and activates your account. Step 4. Setting up your Basecamp workspace. After verifying your email, you'll be redirected to your newly created Basecamp workspace. This is your central hub for all your projects and team communication. The initial setup might involve a brief tutorial or a few prompts to personalize your workspace. You'll likely be asked to name your company/account. Double-check or enter your company or team name as it will appear within your Basecamp account. Invite team members. Optional but crucial for collaboration, one of the key strengths of Basecamp is its ability to facilitate team collaboration. You'll have the option to invite your team members right away by entering their email addresses. You can also skip this step and invite them later. We highly recommend inviting your core team members early on to foster a collaborative environment from the start. Step 5. Creating your first project. With your workspace set up, the next logical step is to create your first project. Think of a project as a container for all the tasks, discussions, files, and schedules related to a specific undertaking. To create a new project, look for a button or link that says New Project, Create a Project, or a plus symbol, icon, usually located on your main dashboard. Click on this button. A dialog box or a new page will appear, prompting you to enter the details of your project. This typically includes project name. Give your project a clear and concise name that accurately reflects its purpose. For example, website redesign, marketing campaign Q3, or new product development. Description, optional but helpful. Add a brief description of the project's goals, objectives, or any relevant context. This helps everyone involved understand the project's scope. Privacy settings. You might have options to make the project public within your Basecamp account, visible to all team members, or private, accessible only to invited individuals. Choose the setting that aligns with the project's confidentiality. Once you've entered the necessary information, click Create Project or a similar button. Your new project will now appear on your Basecamp dashboard. Step 6. Familiarizing yourself with the project interface. Now that you have your first project, take some time to explore its interface. Each project in Basecamp is organized into several key sections, designed to streamline different aspects of project management. Campfire. This is your project's instant messaging tool. It's ideal for quick questions, informal updates, and real-time discussions. Message board. This section is for more structured discussions and announcements that you want to keep track of. Think of it as an email thread within your project, but more organized. To-do lists. This is where you'll break down your project into actionable tasks. You can assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, and track their progress. Docs and files. This is your central repository for all project-related documents, images, and other files. You can organize files into folders for better management. Schedule. Use this section to create and manage project timelines, deadlines, and events. You can add milestones and set reminders. Automatic check-ins. Depending on your plan, this feature allows you to set up recurring questions for your team to answer, providing regular updates and insights into their progress. Take some time to click through each of these sections within your project to understand their functionality and how they can contribute to effective project management.